the blueberry farm. Hi, are you roaming in the farm? Hi, are you having fun?
Some more.
Is it fun?
Yeah.
She's busy picking. Hi, is it fun?
Yeah.
You look like in a garden of paradise.
This is blueberry.
Garden of Eden.
This is what it feels like. Probably more than 16. I get it.
Beautiful friends, it's so fun to pick this, right? And then you will make this as a pie or blueberry jam. This one is lower. Put it here. So many beautiful friends. Look at that. Grabe be, oh. Super.
I see a tent and a parking space.
Lola, oh. Kawaii daw.
We would like to
Hi,
pick blueberries.
kawaii baby. Nawala na naman yung sapatos niya. Nandun sa sasakyan. 300. Ano daw ako? 20 years old. Hindi, joke lang. Hi, David! No cry!
Friends, if we want to take some blueberries home, then we have to pay 1 yen for every gram. And we
Can I
have to
see?
eat as much as we want for free.
What's that? You have blueberry in your head. Hannah, can we see? Wow, you're a blueberry queen. Let's put it in, girl.
To
Okay.
the back.
There's a blueberry farm.
Welcome to the blueberry farm. Welcome to the blueberry farm. Let's get some blueberries. This is the farm, be. It's fun. Let's check. Is it fun? I will show you blueberries. I only got 4 pieces now, but we'll have some more. There's 2 here. These are blueberries. Isn't it fun? Let's check what Hannah and Hadassah are doing. Hindi naman ako nagpipik eh. Okay, let's pick.
Very ripe.
I'm not picking. I'm just taking a video.
That one maybe not so much, but the other
Okay,
one.
let's take a
This one?
this.
I'm holding in my right hand.
Yes.
So good. Oh wait.
Para siyang alateris be, pero sobrang dami. It's like alateris, but it's so many. And you just get the one that are ready already. You will immediately know it because it looks like blueberry.
This looks
The
like
color.
Okay, David, I get it. It's war. You want to get some more?
Is it fun?
Yeah. Here, I put them in my basket. Then I'm gonna eat them.
She's busy picking. Hi, is it fun?
Yeah.
You look like in a garden of paradise.
This is blueberry.
Garden of Eden.
This is what it feels like.
Look, look, baby. There's our berries. Tree. There's another trees. So many trees. It's the shot of the whole place bed. Those are the trees. It's so long, right? And you have like Christmas trees over there. Pine trees. It's high. But these are the blueberry trees. Okay, cherry tree kind of looks like this one. It's higher than the blueberry. Blueberry is like this size. We love you, beautiful friends. Here's David. We love you. Thank you for watching.
Are you counting stuff in there? Oh gosh. Ew, ew. There's a lot I like here. This is my favorite farm so far.
How many blueberries do you have?
I don't know.
No, I mean, can I see? Wow. How about Hadassah?
16. Probably more than 16. Of course more. I gotta eat them. The highest ones are the best ones. You can get the most sunlight. Need help? No, I have 15. You wanna try one? Sure. Now I have 19.
Kunyari, tahimik.
I want 21.
As there are many?
I have 21 blueberries. Don't eat the purple ones. Eat the blue ones. Dad, what if I ate this?
These are big ones.
Wait, Mom, look. Look how big this is.
Wow, oh my gosh. It's so big. Para siyang ano be, Jolen. Ay, shucks. Nahulog yung kinuha ko. So fun. Look at it. So many. This one is good tree.
It's a bug.
Okay, let's put this in the basket. So many. Enjoy picking. Happy summertime. David, look. This is he is in a blueberry farm. This is his outfit. He has shoes. The last time we forgot his shoes and the socks was in my bag. Hi, beautiful friend. Hi, baby. Hi, beautiful friends. We love you. Ay, to. Easy for you. So many beautiful friends. Look at that. It's fun! So many. You get lucky if you get the big ones. This one is cool. Maganda siguro yung mga vegetables din, no? When you pick vegetables, when you pick grapes, masarap ang grapes. Apple for apple pie. If you have 3 blueberries or even 3. Kaya minsan it might die, right? So maybe you'll have 2 pieces of that. And then it's fun, right? Every seasons you will have something like this. If you have 1 tree, that's a lot already. 1 of this blueberry tree, 1 of cherry tree. It's fun, right? Tsaka cherry. 1 cherry tree. Ang saya. Kung sa atin may space, no? Maganda sa Pilipinas talaga. May mga tree ka, iba-iba. Santol, mango, green mango, lansones. Kung meron lang ako, no? Magtatanim talaga ako, Papamigay mo rin sa mga kaibigan mo. Pag sobrang dami. O kaya pwede mong ibenta, 'di ba? Maraming nagbebenta sa atin, Sa bahay ni nanay, meron siya lang kalang. Hindi kasi, ako mahilig ako sa halaman, I'm really fascinated with ganito. Yung talong, naku, yun na nga, 1 piece of eggplant, imagine that. They will still eat it. I give them a lot of food, like every day. Kasi ayokong itapon lang. Minsan itatapon mo, 'di ba? So, ibibigay ko na lang sa kanila kasi alam ko, I know that the birds will eat it. They're funny. It's okay. They don't know that it's eggplant that is being taken care of. They're funny because they ate that eggplant. It's just 1 piece. And I'm waiting for the other ones to grow. And they're funny because they ransack it. Sinira. That crow broke it. I don't know if they're 2 birds or just 1 bird. And the ants are also the side of the house. I put some food on it, I gave both Hadas and Hannah to the ants, and ay hala, hindi pa to red. Ay, ready na to. This is the sweet one. It's not really dark blue. It has something like that color. Sabi ay matamis daw yan. That's a sweet one. So the ants would eat the food too, because it's summer right now, right? Kaya they are storing food so that on winter they will have a lot, and they have a lot of food already. Even the birds, so they share, whoever see it first. But I think the ants mostly are there. They are watching over the food that will be there. Mas party if they have a cake, no? Kung bread, dessert, no? Minsan noodles. Minsan ayokong itapon, ano na siya, malapit nang masira. So kakainin pa nila yun. The birds will eat it too. Sometimes the birds, look at this. Sometimes the birds would have breakfast, and they're trying to find their breakfast food. So when they go there to that side of the house, the right side, they can ayun na crow, oh. Narinig niya, It's black crow. Wow, if you're a crow, you have free food here. Mukbang. Dami nilang food, Hindi sila maaano nila lola, nila nanay, hindi sila mapipigilan. The grandma cannot stop them. Those crows here, the birds here, this place is paradise, is their mukbang. Mukbang talaga nasa isip ko. I said mukbang. See, it's fun, no? Oh, diba? Kung, even if you have one blueberry tree, what else? One cherry tree, one apple tree in your backyard, and grapes, strawberries, everything. It's mukbang. Hindi, joke lang. you always eat fruits. It's funny. Sabi. Yan. Let's enjoy. Have a great day. We love you. Wow, relaxing. Hi. Are you roaming in the farm? Oh, it's a kitty baby. Hi. Are you having fun? We love you. Have fun. Fun.
Can you
Did you see? David, did you see this? Blueberry. Fun. Fun. He's tired. Or maybe he's just chilling. He's relaxing. I will share this with you, Ben. It's relaxing. Hmm. Farm. Forest. Ang ganda, oh. Bahay ba yan, be? Ay, oo. Siguro yun yung may-ari, no? Ng farm. Nagtanim siya. How many years ago? And then, madami na. Ayan, no? Ilang years kaya ang blueberry at saka cherry bago lumaki? 3 to 5 years? May magandang view dun, be. Hindi ko lang nakuhaan sa entrance. Trees. Trees din. Hi, girls! Wow! That's relaxing. Dad.
Your name Dan?
Hannah.
Hannah?
Grace.
Grace?
David.
David?
Ah.
The only boy?
Yeah, he's smiling now. Naoko?
No,
Naoko?
yeah. Are you guys from Misawa base?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Thank you for watching. Take care. We love you. Ito, oh. Yan. Ano pala to, be? Libingan. Okay. Ayan pala yung bahay niya, be, oh. Oh, ganda ng flower ni nanay. Sabi ko, siya lang mag-isa dito. Sabi, yung kapatid niya, ayan, nakatira dyan. Oh, bahay. Akala ko yan yung bahay. Sabi ko, ayan yung, kapatid niyo, kapitbahay niyo. Hindi, yan yung bahay ng horse. Hindi nga. Okay, oh. Yan. Dito na tayo. Kapitbahay niya nandito sa kabila. Ayun, be, ang ganda, oh. Malapit lang pala sila sa city. Sa stores pala. Siguro nagtitinda siguro sila dito sa mga grocery stores, no? Blueberry nila. Malapit lang, no? Hindi siya malayo. Mga drive ng kotse. 2 to 3 minutes. Nandito na tayo, be.
Really?
Okay.
Really? In the middle of houses in Tokyo?
Wow, it's beautiful.
Wow! I want to
What's
pick all
that?
those plants in our yard.
Ay, ang cute, be, oh. Parang sa mga teleserye. Ay, para sa mga teleserye, oh. Ayan, ang ganda, no? Asan na yung mga magbabarkada? Nung mga panahon ng high school pa tayo, college, no? Ng ating kabataan. Kung mababalik lang natin, no? Malapit na tayo mag 100 be. Okay lang. We're not worried. God will take care of us all. Wala, galing. Ang cute nitong bahay na to be, oh.
Hey, remember when you were
Na?
little and you
Oo,
went to
parang sinauna siya. Oh.
you didn't have these two teeth. Yeah, I was like, yeah, you did, and no teeth. I was like, you didn't have these.
Hira to be yung may color. Pink siya, oh. Hindi siya bahay, no? Parang store. Ano ba yan? Hindi ko alam.
Tell me what he smells like. Does it smell like boogers?
Ang kalsada, be, oh. Nakakatakot mag-drive. Hindi ko kaya to. Doon na lang ako sa loob ng base.
Hands back.
Ay, hindi naman pala masyadong maliit, no?
hand. Make another hand.
Magkaiba kasi doon sa Florida, medyo malawak, be.
No.
You're in the middle, you're a little bit safe. Diba? Okay na, be. Nandito na tayo. Cute nito, be, oh. Color. Flower shop. Nandun yung gate. Dito na tayo. This is what we got earlier. Are you happy? Are you happy? He's happy because now he's taking a rest in his relaxing place. Ayan. Hi! Are you smiling? David, smile! You're so cute. We love you, beautiful friends. We're home now. Andito na tayo. Show yourself, David. They want to see you. Are you happy? We love you. Alam mo, saya sa niya na niya. He's so happy because he's now on his relaxing bed. May vibration to, be. Vibration. Parang duyan. Okay, let's fix this first. We love you, beautiful friends. David is smiling already.